Floating offshore wind has been identified as a critical solution in the delivery of net zero in Scotland and the UK. It is important in the electrification of oil and gas assets as part of the North Sea Transition Deal. The deal targets a 50% reduction in oil and gas production emissions by 2030, with net zero being achieved by 2050. Small, under 50 megawatt projects can provide off-grid electrification for single remote assets, while large 1 gigawatt projects can decarbonise a whole basin, connecting energy systems and electrifying multiple platforms, ultimately creating a North Sea grid and a new energy highway. The Technology Driving Green Energy Growth Report sets out key recommendations and opportunities to accelerate floating offshore wind innovation and get projects in the water quicker to accelerate our journey to net zero. The UK has the opportunity to become a globally recognised test centre for floating offshore wind technologies. We can leverage multiple demonstration opportunities to identify the best designs and advance the commercialisation of critical projects. The report highlights that using modular solutions will increase efficiency throughout construction, integration, installation and maintenance. Deploying a standard design of floating wind projects, including developing a best fit hull design for North Sea conditions which can be manufactured in the UK, will improve efficiencies and facilitate the scaling up of projects to unlock electricity cost reductions. The report identifies that integrating offshore wind with offshore platform energy storage options, such as subsea batteries and hydrogen storage, will ensure platforms have an uninterrupted energy supply to allow continuous operation. Transmission losses can be reduced by deploying higher voltage inter-array cables with increased water resistance, reducing cable fatigue. The improvement of converter stations and connector designs will also reduce installation costs by up to 15%. The report also highlights that novel shared anchoring and mooring designs will simplify operations, reduce material requirements and the associated costs by up to 25%, and unlock export opportunities. As a result, anchors and moorings offer a key opportunity to expand the UK supply chain. The UK's floating wind industry offers significant economic benefit for the UK, which dovetails with ScotWind. It has the potential to deliver 43 billion and 29,000 jobs for the UK, an opportunity we can grasp through standardisation and modularisation. Download the report to find out what other innovations are needed to meet the North Sea Transition Deal targets and to help us deliver net zero for the UK.